find the best shortcut to go on the other side of the river as we are going for a long walk. So excited for this. Now we are crossing this beautiful bridge. I mean, the bridge is not that beautiful. It's red.
Beautiful if we're on it.
But oh, the view is absolutely gorgeous, especially on this sunny day. It's so beautiful today. I love this weather so much. We have to say something now. I don't know what to say. Don't have a clue, but I hope that in a while everything will be easier, way much easier, and we will feel way much comfortable to talk to the camera, basically with you guys, but it's like there's no one in there, just a camera. Check this out. You know what? I was thinking that we should have an ice cream. What do you think?
I think we're gonna get fat.
Last night I wished so bad to have some fries. Yeah, it was almost
11.
Almost.
Yeah, like 3
And
minutes to
he
11.
didn't want to order any fries, and I was like, I need to eat some because I feel bad. I mean, I didn't feel bad because in the end I went to bed and I had such a good sleep, but I'm still thinking about those fries. We're going in Canary Wharf to our special place. We used to live here, but I guess everyone knows because
We say it all the time.
yeah,
We used to live
exactly.
here.
Yeah, it's like it's our place. I took my jacket with me today because I had a feeling that it's not gonna be warm enough. But guess what? It's super hot, and I'm trying to get on the other side, but there are so many cars here, and I have to stop. We are getting closer and closer, and here is my husband again. It's so beautiful. There people are spending their Sunday outside. It's so nice that you can stay here on the green spaces. It's so relaxing. You can also have a picnic here, a beer, and have an amazing Sunday outside.